What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a camshaft position sensor on a 2.4 Dodge Dart. We're gonna take the engine oil cap off. Now we can remove the cover. We're gonna put the cap back on. Now with the 10mm, we're gonna remove the shield nut. Now we can take the shield off. With the same 10mm, we can take the cam sensor bolt off. I'm gonna disconnect the connector. We're gonna compare, make sure our new one matches the old one. Now we can put it back on. We're just gonna press it in, push the connector back in. Now we can put our 10mm bolt back. Gonna make sure it's tight. Now we can reinstall the shield. Now we can install our engine cover and oil cap, and we're done.